let's shoot this. We got the Sears Roebuck 22 1960s versus the more modern Marlin Xt-22. They both shoot pretty good. I'm thinking about the same. So we're going to be using CCI Mini Mag ammo. This was donated from a friend. So let me see if I can get my umbrella up here, get a little more shade. It's a little warm here and we got a breeze picking on up. The breeze is definitely left to right. So 100 and you get a spot here. 120 yards. Okay, a little low. All right. Here we go. I think I hit the can because I did not see a hit. Yeah. And low. I think I hit it there. That was the last shot. Okay, 7. And here's in Roebuck. Yeah. Take to the left. I think. And yeah. Ah. There we go. I was able to get about that much to the right. The wind is taking it. You can see my wind meter here. So got a nice breeze cutting across up there. Probably about 7 miles an hour. Well, looks like we got at least 4 or 5 hits. There's a nick right there. There's definitely a ricochet. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 penetrations, and I can almost see the bullets in there. This stuff is full of